beauty of levels and the support here in crude oil. We have seen it moving all the way towards 60, and I have several times reiterated and iterated that 60 should be a good support, and we have seen now a very good recovery. It has come towards the next target zone, the next resistance zone at 61.4, 61.6. Can we look forward to a move towards 62 and plus levels again? Are we looking forward to a reversal, or the bears are going to be here and the drop is going to begin soon? What about natural gas? Natural gas is struggling at 3.5 levels. So what should be our strategy? In order to profit trading crude oil and natural gas today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. In this one update, we are going to see not only I am going to give you the levels, but also I am going to give you the reason behind each and every level and why a particular entry point and a particular level is important and why you should take a trade and take profit at particular levels. Everything we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See, oil on the hourly charts I've shared earlier, see it is showing signs of reversal and it has formed a very good bottom at around 60, and now once you see it is staying beyond 60.8, 61, you can stay with the buys and see how beautiful it has now come towards the next target zone at 61.4, 61.6. And if that is taken, we are in fact looking forward to $62 levels. Moving averages have started to look upwards now. Signs are still bullish, while the stochastic has got into overbought zone. But if you look at MACD, after hitting the bottom, it has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. This indicates more bullishness ahead. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls. Look at the 2-hour. On the 2-hour charts, you can see a reversal sign was seen, and then these bullish candles had appeared. And see how beautifully it is inspired towards the highs here and now. I will be looking forward to 61.4, 61.6 zone to be taken, and then 62. If these two levels are taken, it's a reversal. Beyond 62, we can see bullishness prevailing here. Notice this is the 4th to 5th time prices are reversing from this zone, which is a very good sign for the bulls, and this suggests oil is staying in the box here on the upside. Very important for it to break beyond 63.6, 64 zone in order to confirm a breakout. Stochastic rising, the MACD is crossing over for the buys, good sign here for the bulls as well. RSI rising, which is again a supportive sign for further rise. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, similar observations, see diminishing bearishness, reversal sign, third bullish candle in series here. I'll wait for 61.4, 61.6 to be taken. In fact, you can buy here at 61.4, expect 61.6 and $62 levels at the next targets. Beyond 62, we can look forward to a strong bullish move towards 62.5 and 63. Chances of complete reversal appears less. It might try to stay something like this. It might try to move towards lower highs. A complete breakout move towards 63 I do not expect, but somewhere between 62, 62.5 it may try to land. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. Signs are supportive for further rise. RSI rising here. On the 4-hour charts also, see after diminishing bearishness and reversal sign, first bullish candle and the second one in making. It might take it further highs. Possible move towards 62 cannot be denied, and that should offer a maximum resistance. Then 62.25, 62.5, 62.6. These are going to remain good levels here. Notice it has formed a very good base. This is the 4th to 5th time it has taken the support and trying to bounce back. Now this makes $60 zone as a pretty strong support for oil here. Hence you have to watch out. Stochastic rising, the MACD trying to cross over for the buys, the RSI is rising here. Coming to daily charts, now look at the daily. On the daily chart, see what's happening here. It is forming a nice flag, lower highs are seen, and see there is a squeeze as well. You can see multiple times it attempted to break beyond $60 levels, failing to do so, now trying to reverse it. And this time if it breaches on the upside, it is going to give a massive move here. Right now I'll say rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. And see, only worry point was the single candle what we had seen yesterday. It was a sharp reversal candle, and now it is coming to the median. Now this zone at 61.4, 61.6 and then 62, these two levels are going to remain very crucial for oil here. It has to stay beyond 62 in order to confirm the breakout here, which could take it all the way towards 62.5. And if it stays beyond 62.5, 63 cannot be denied. Yes, the stochastic is flat, the MACD is trying to cross over for sell, the RSI is rising. So now considering this, first of all, see how easily in just under a few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and we have arrived at the levels. You can also understand and learn this art of trading. Be a part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting 11th of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And those who are looking forward to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for your queries. Also, it is very, very important for you to have a trusted partner where you can trade safe. The partner which can offer you SAF-free account at lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, and it gives you plethora of opportunities and instruments from across the globe and from any region. All the instruments are available here. You can trade safely. So do join the broker and enjoy trading. Now, where you should buy? See, as I've said, you can buy here at 61.4 itself. When you see the lower price, it is already trading above 61.4. You can buy here. Expect 61.6, 62. This is the zone. Somewhere here, it is going to get first resistance. If it trades above 62, you can just stay bullish. Beyond 62, we are looking forward to 62.5. See, 62.25 is there, but ideally, I'll be looking forward to 62.5. 62.6, and if that is taken, we are waiting for a breakout move all the way towards 63 and plus levels. Then 63.6 level should appear as the next resistance zone. It is definitely going to be critical for oil to break beyond 63.6, because this time if it breaches this, we are waiting for 65. Now where it closes today is going to be very important, because that will decide the opening for further next week, where if it stays beyond 63.6, you can just stay bullish for 65 and in fact $70 levels in the month of June. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, where you should sell. Now remember 60.8, 61.2 I have shared earlier in the day. This should be the strongest support. This was the resistance. Now this should be the support here. So if you see it is staying below 61, 60.8, you can take a sell. Expect 60.4 and 60. If at all it decides to breach below 60, you can say now it is the time for you to stay short. 59.7, 59.2 will appear as the next targets, below which 58.6, 57.8 are going to be the next support levels. I do not expect this now. Possibly a complete reversal, I think, is going to be difficult. But yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Now see the struggle zone for natural gas, 3.5 at 3.6. I have mentioned very clearly buying entry has to be above 3.5 at 3.6, and that is what has happened. See the beauty of levels here. It has hit 3.58 and now reversing. So possibly now this suggests more downside, because see this is an expanding triangle here hitting the highs it is trying to reverse, and now if you see it is staying below 3.5, you can stay with the sells here. You can expect 3.47, 3.44 levels. Below 3.45, you can expect it to move towards 3.4 and 3.36 as the next targets. Moving averages right now here are bearish, and you can also see after waiting for the 20 period to come down, it has got the resistance and now looking downwards. This is a slight bearish sign, but I will say you have to wait for 3.45 in order to confirm the bearishness today. Else it could form a double bottom and bounce back. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has retraced, now trying to cross over for sell. RSI looking vertically down, that is a slight bearish sign. On the 2-hour chart, similar. My only point here is this, that it is still trading in this channel. So it is very, very important for it to trade below 3.45 and then 3.4. Because once it trades below 3.4, this will be the confirmation of a breakout. And then what will happen? Possibly this could move towards 3.3 and 3.2 levels very, very soon. Also, what is happening after this bigger slump, it has waited for the 20 period and now reversing. This is indeed a bearish sign here. Stock IST looking down, but the MACD has crossed over at the bottom and it is trading bullish. So on MACD part, if you look at it, has formed double bottom. The upside is very much possible. So that is why I say till 3.45 you have to be careful with the sells. RSI looking down, certainly a bearish sign. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Notice drop, sideways movement, then the drop, side retracement, and then the drop. So possibly the complete move might remain within this box itself, where 3.58, 3.6 on the upside, 3.45 on the downside should be a greater support zone. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. Not yet confirming a reversal here. It is still staying on the sell side here. The stock IST looking down, signs of bearishness. The MACD is almost at the bottom. It has to cross over here on the upside in order to confirm reversal. RSI looking down. On the 4-hour charts, and you see similar observation here. See this looking downwards. So if you see it is staying below 3.5, you can take a sell. Expect 3.48, 3.45. And if 3.45 is taken, this time I'll be looking forward to 3.4 levels, the next support zone. Now remember, if it closes at the bottom today, it is going to give you a gap down opening on Monday. Stochastic at top, MACD trading bearish, RSI looking downwards, so signs are still bearish here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, what is happening here? See, this could have become reversal if the prices could have traded above 3.6, but it has failed to do so. It is just reversing from the same zone, and it is possible that it might try to trade bearish. And in fact, it can deliver lower lows as well, where 3.4 cannot be denied. The moving average is crossing over here is a bearish sign. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is also crossed over and trading bearish, and the RSI is also dropping here. So considering this, you can sell here at 3.5 levels, expect 3.475, 3.45, and below 3.45 you are looking forward to a greater correction towards 3.4, 3.36, and then 3.3 levels. Remember what has happened in natural gas, though it is trading in this nice flag formation, the lows here are all the way towards 3.2, and today if it closes at bottom, possibly we might see a gap down on Monday, where 3.3, 3.2 cannot be denied. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the monthly forecast tomorrow. That will give you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from natural gas and oil in the month of June. See you tomorrow. Thank you.